aka Crypto Dragon, aka our boy. Let's get it. I'm just doing another update, another weekly update on Anchor Protocol. The weekly Anchor Protocol update. Here we go. Here we go. So last time we made $2 last week, right? $2 for free, just having our money sitting into this protocol account, right? So here we go. We can go up here. We can go to extensions. We're gonna activate Terra Station Wallet. Boom. Terra Station Wallet is activated. Web app. Remember, anchorprotocol.com. Web app. Let it open up. Let it load up. Here we go. It's loaded up, loaded up, loaded up. Let's go connect our wallet. Terra Station. Boom. Terra Station wallet connected. Go over to earn. I gained another $2. All right. Year to date, I'll gain $100 off of $500 in 1 year. That ain't too bad. Ain't too bad. What about a week? Okay, a week we gaining about $2 a week. A month, $8 a day, 2 cents. Well, 26 cents a day is what we're gaining off what? A $500 investment, right? That's not bad just for having your money sitting there, right? Now, what you can do is take $500, go put it in a bank account, holla at me in a month or in a week, and see how much money they gave you off your $500 in a bank account. And let me know what you're taking home. And then we can talk and maybe I can discuss some business with you and ways to help you out, right? But yeah, so that's the Anchor Protocol update. Like I said, this ain't going to be a long thing. I'm just making it a couple minutes long. Anchor Protocol, you know, all you got to do is go buy you some Terra Luna off crypto.com or Coinbase, wherever you want to get it. And then you send it to your Terra Station wallet. And then inside your Terra Station wallet, you could do a swap. And you could swap your Terra Luna to UST. That's one way to do it. Or you can buy UST right here on Anchor Protocol. Right? You could do that as well. So that's one thing you can do. But you're going to have some kind of stable coin or something inside your Terra Station wallet in order to do something like that. Right? So, but yeah. Remember, there's other things you can do. You can come in here. If you put enough money in here, you could use your investment as collateral and take a loan on it. You can take a loan on it for collateral, right? And it'll allow you to take out certain amounts, right? Borrowing value, blah, blah, blah. You could take out money. Or you can invest in some of these other pools that they're going to have, which is liquidity pools. I'm pretty sure they have some, yes, over in the governance section. Yes, liquidity pools. You see this right here, 59.73 APR rates. So if you buy the Anchor token and you have that UST token inside your wallet, both of them, you could pair them together and create an LP token, which would be an Anchor UST LP token. And then you stake it in this pool right here and collect you a 59.73 interest, right? That's called staking. Or you could take your Anchor coin and put your Anchor coin into your Terra wallet and stake the Anchor token right here and collect 11%. So that's 3 ways you can collect passive income from one protocol, from Anchor Protocol, right? Easy. So you just buy Anchor and UST, and right here you get 3 investments from it. So say you have $5,000, you could take $1,500, put it into Anchor, collect 11.77 on that. Or you can just put it all into this liquidity by Anchor in by 2,500 in Anchor, 2,500 in UST, right? Which UST is a stable coin, mind you, doesn't move, it doesn't change, doesn't go up or down. It's a stable investment. You will not lose any money. Anchor Protocol, on the other hand, does go up and down. The value of it does change, right? But that's okay. So let's say you buy 2,500 in Anchor and then 2,500 in UST. You can collect this 59.73 APR rate. Now, I'm gaining $2 off a 20% APY rate, right? $2 a week, right? Off $500. What would happen if you do $20,000 in there? How much did you make then? You know what I'm saying? So you can live off this stuff, man. You can live off passive income if you have enough money to work with. You could do that, right? It could work that way. I just wanted to show y'all a couple other ways that you can use this protocol. You don't just have to use UST. I mean, you don't just have to do the earn, the 20%. Only reason why I say this is a really good investment is because you're only using UST, which is a stable coin, which doesn't go up or down. The value stays the same. It doesn't change. So it's a very, very extremely safe way to make passive income. You know what I'm saying? Extremely safe. You won't lose any money. Your money's just sitting here collecting money on this protocol, right? So that's why obviously there's other things behind it. I would say go look into Anchor protocol. You can go on CoinGecko or CoinMarketCap, and you can look right into their protocol and see exactly what you're looking for. You might even be able to find some stuff on this site about what's going on with their protocol and what it is. What is this B assets? There's some more staking, mint and burn. Okay, other couple things you could do here. But yeah, but that's this right here. So here you go. Now you got it. You got Anchor Protocol. I'm collecting $2 a week off this, right? Passively, not doing shit. Just having my money sit there. Your money's sitting in it. The 500 would have been sitting in my bank account anyway, not doing anything, collecting me jack shit. Probably less than a penny a week, right? Now I'm getting 26 cents a day off my money. That's called having your money work for you. Thank you very much for watching. This is Shane. We're about life, aka Mega Man, Crypto Dragon, Art Boy, whichever you want to call me. All of them are fine. I love all of them. It's all my identities on these social media platforms. We out. We out of here. Take it easy, yo.